Good morning.
Good morning. Sheldon, sit down.
She's in my spot. Don't look at me like that. Everybody knows that's my spot.
Sheldon, you know that we care about you.
And it's because we care about you that we've decided we have to speak up.
You're hurting the people around you, sweetie.
So we made you an appointment, and we want you to keep it.
Department of Motor Vehicles' new driver handbook. But I don't have a problem.
Sheldon, you need to learn how to drive.
This madness has to stop.
Penny's taking you to the DMV. I'm going to bed.
Why Penny?
Because rock breaks scissors.
All right, come on, Sheldon.
Hold on. I have one condition.
What?
We have to stop at Pottery Barn.
Okay.
And Radio Shack.
Fine.
And the comic book store.
All right.
Well, I want to go to the comic book store.
I like comic books.